When you hear the name Ultra, you expect something big, something that feels futuristic, powerful, and a little bit ahead of its time. Well, Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is trying hard to live up to that name, but it's also sparking a lot of debates before it's even out. Let's start with the first thing everyone notices: the design. Gone are the sharp, boxy corners of last year's Ultra. Instead, Samsung went curvy, dramatic, and a little iPhone-like. And yes, fans have already noticed. Some people say it looks sleek and modern, others feel it's a step backwards. Then there's the camera bump. Huge, nearly 4.5 millimeters thick. On a table, it wobbles like a seesaw. Love it or hate it, you definitely won't ignore it. But here's the thing. Under that controversial exterior, the S26 Ultra packs some serious muscle. You're getting the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or Samsung's latest Exynos chip, depending on where you live, plus the usual 5,000 mAh battery that has proven itself year after year. So performance is covered. But the real headline this time? Samsung is bringing Hollywood to your pocket with something called the APV codec. It's basically their answer to Apple's ProRes, but smarter. File sizes shrink by up to 20% without losing quality. That means 12-bit colors, HDR, and insane detail, even at night. And here's the kicker. You can now do proper color grading right in the Gallery app. Want that warm, golden movie look? Or maybe cold, sci-fi blue tones? Just tap and done. No complicated editing software. Frame rates? Samsung went wild. 25, 50, even 100 frames per second in 4K and FHD. You even get 25 frames per second in 8K for that true cinematic vibe. Throw in horizon lock stabilization, and it's basically a mini studio in your pocket. And then there's the display. Samsung finally ditched the old M13 panels and moved to new M14 OLED materials with COE tech. The screen is thinner, brighter, more efficient, and honestly might be the best display on any phone in 2025. So, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is bold. It's futuristic. It's controversial. Some fans will love the changes, others will miss the old style. But one thing's for sure, this is the Ultra that will have everyone talking. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.